Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Gabby. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I go from black to red using this temporary hair paint wax dye, so stay tuned. So I wanted to test out this hair paint wax just to see what the hype was about. And as you can see guys, I'm a little skeptical about putting this in my hair because I haven't put any dyes or new products in my hair since I started being natural completely. But everyone who has used this hair paint wax said it's easy to wash out and it doesn't do any damages to your hair. So here I go, testing this out, and let's see how it goes. And stuff, because look at my hands. I mean, it is washing off with the water, but it is like super messy. So I'm done with putting the wax color throughout my whole head, and it actually came out cuter than I thought it would. It looks a little pinkish to me, but that's okay. So now I'm just gonna think of what I'm gonna do next. Of course, I decided to put flexi rods in my hair. These are my all-time favorite, guys. I'm pretty sure you can kind of figure that out by now. I love how my hair looks after I use them. But I am starting to notice that my hair feels a little hard after the wax does dry. So I was a little skeptical of how my hair would look after I do take the flexi rods out. But what I'm going to do is just add a little bit of oil to my hair once I separate the curls. So hopefully they do come out how I want them to. This is the final result of my hair, and I'm loving how my hair came out. This color is actually looking pretty good on me. I wouldn't dye my hair, but I would definitely try this temporary hair paint wax again. But I do thank you guys for watching. Give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.